Hi everyone, this is Joe the Dad. I'm going to give you a DIY tutorial on how to replace the 2013 Acura RDX roof, or also known as overhead console replacement. The problem I'm having is the sunglass holder becomes loose over time and it no longer holds in place and will just randomly pop open every little bump, creating a distraction. This is what it looks like after I've removed it, but you can see how easy it opens up. The first thing is ordering from your Acura dealer, or you could even order online. Here's a couple of snapshots of the packaging that I got. And next step is, let's take a look at the actual unit itself. I've highlighted in red. You're going to have to pop open these covers and get to a screw underneath. Now if you look on the side here, there's a little indentation. Put a flat screwdriver in there, you could pop it open. Here's a picture of what it looks like opened up and the screw underneath. So you want to get those out. Make sure you keep the washers as well. Once those have been removed, this is what the unit looks like when you take it out. Don't forget that a couple of clips on the unit towards the back. Those may or may not come out with it. This is what it looks like when it's been removed. You can kind of see how the opening compartment and everything is all part of the unit. On the left is what you would get. There are 3 plugs with controls, the voice, lights, etc. on here. Each will be clipped in on either side, and make sure that you toggle this tiny little clip. There you go. You can squeeze that and then pull the connector. Once you've removed the entire assembly, make sure that this portion here, which is the black component, push that out, because you're going to have to replace that into the new unit. Don't forget, as you're replacing everything, make sure you put the 3 connectors back on, and then slide everything into place and screw everything in together. The last step is going to be essentially putting the cover plates on. Make sure they snap, and just as a test, make sure the lights come back on and you should be good to go.